Hi, it's Kelly Savage with the Butterfly Thoughts podcast. Welcome and thank you for joining me as we take our transformation journey day by day, thought by thought, and we're doing it together. In a few short minutes a day, we provokingly reflect and challenge ourselves into a different perspective, starting with just one thought. I coined them butterfly thoughts because we need to be reminded transformation comes in stages and can bring about beauty for butterflies and our lives. Today's episode is the power of now. I think music is very soul-touching, spirit awakening, and can not only get us moving and feeling good, I believe it can heal things in our souls as well. Not all types of music will do this, but there are some that can truly speak to us and have an effect on us for many different reasons. Those reasons can be plenty and can affect different people in different ways. All our journeys are different, on different levels, and only within ourselves can we know where we're at and pace ourselves differently and accordingly. I played a song that I haven't heard for quite some time. It was one of the choices that we narrowed down to play for the son and mother dance on my son's wedding day. It is a beautiful song about a mother and son relationship, and we all know what a powerful bond that is. I was so enjoying listening to it and the song actually taking me back to dancing with my son. Before you knew it, I was thinking about both of my sons and my dances with them. What a beautiful moment for a mother to experience dancing with my grown sons at both of their weddings. Think about it. Like other moments, you will never have that moment again. All of a sudden you realize, okay, that's a sobering thought. Emotion overtook me as I was reflecting on that dance and listening to the song. We can't bring moments back. When that song was done and the dance was over, that moment had finished as well. When we get married, when we see our children being born, grandchild born, meet a long-lost loved one for the first time, and even the times we spend with our families, our children, our spouses, once those moments pass, they're done. So I ask, are we living in that moment as it happens? Are we present? Do we even realize the power of now? The very next moment is not even promised. I think often we are consumed with the past, the negative of the past, how we felt, what went wrong, or regrets. Possibly just consumed with the past even if it was good, like in missing things. Or, on the opposite side, we think in the future with worry or even anticipation and goals. The point is, our thoughts go very quickly to the past with good or bad memories, or the future with worry or excitement, goals. If that is the case, we are missing right now, this moment, soaking it in and truly enjoying it and being aware of it. So what are you thinking? That might even take practice for us to be aware of where our mind goes. So what was my butterfly thought today? It clearly came as I was caught up in the emotion of reflecting back on the dance with my son. Did I truly enjoy that moment when I was in it? That time frame that was done in less than 4 minutes. It reminded me to be aware of moments around me as I live them. The power of now, with no promise of the next moment. So reflecting back in beautiful memories just like this one is okay. Thinking about the future and anticipation and goals is also okay. We need to allow ourselves to do that, no doubt. But There is something magical when we are in the now moment, enjoying and being aware of the moment that will, before we know it, be gone. I encourage you to reflect on the power of now. Enjoy these moments and have a great day.